welcome back to episode 10 of How to Make Crafts. Today we'll be making a paper bag snowflake. So the first thing you'll need scissors, a glue stick, a stapler, a pencil, and 8 brown paper lunch bags. The first thing we'll be doing is getting our one paper bag and we're gonna set it on top. The flap put on the bottom, so it should have no flap. You're gonna stick another one on top of it. I'm gonna be doing 2, but same thing. Stick the flap on the paper bag, so there should be no flaps. It should always the flap should always be going downwards, not up. After that, you can do so many things, but I'm just gonna cut out 2 corners in a triangle. But you can get creative and think of different ideas. So a pencil, you can draw it out if you want, but I'm not going to. And I'm just gonna cut off the corners. And cut off a triangle in the middle. Try to make it pretty even, because if it's not even, after I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. It's kind of hard, barely this. But then, here so far I've got these. I've cut off the 2 flaps and the triangle. I'm going to cut one more triangle. We need to make it very even, so that's why you can usually use pencil, but I'm gonna not use a pencil. After you're going to cut it again. Should pop right off. Here we go. I did this so far. So you're gonna have to do that with all the next paper bags. And that's it so far. So you're gonna have to do that with more paper bags. Okay, so far I've gotten this one. I have one more to cut. And you're gonna cut the corner triangle one more time. So you should have done 8 paper bags, and I usually stick 2 on top of each other for it to go this fast. And it should look like this. It's not gonna be perfect when you set it up, but it's pretty good. After, you're gonna need your glue, and you're gonna open the glue up. And push this away so I get more space. And you're gonna get your glue stick. Like I said, this flap should be on the back. Then after that, you're gonna get this one, and you're gonna make a T with the glue. You're not gonna be able to see the T, but all the way down, an upside down T. And you're gonna stick the flap down. It's gonna take a minute to dry. You have to push as hard as you can. You gotta be patient and let it dry. And you're gonna pull as hard as you can. Like that. So far. You're gonna glue so many more. You're gonna glue them all again. All 8. Make a T. And you're gonna put it on the line. And you need to put a lot of glue. And then stick it again. And you're just gonna put a lot again and make a T. It gets kind of boring after a while, but it's gonna look beautiful. very hard. Push all your weight and you're gonna let it dry for a second. So you should have stuck 8 on top. And this is my favorite part in a sec. You're gonna push as hard as you can. You need it to stick, because if it doesn't stick, it'll ruin. You're gonna wait for a second to let it dry. It's on my way. Okay. I think it's probably dry. Okay, this is my favorite part. Ready? Be very gentle when you open it up, because it'll rip. Okay, looks like this right now. Now, you are going to hold it, staple it. My brother's gonna help me because it won't talk together. You're gonna staple out the very end, 2 ends together. And this is what we made. That's what we made. So you can add a string if you want right here, but I'm just gonna use it as a decoration, set it somewhere. I think it looks beautiful. Set it somewhere. Bye!